Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki Miller, founder of Mae B Films, a wedding videography company based right out of New York City. So how's quarantine life treating you? Good, I hope. As New Yorkers, we're so spoiled with so many amazing restaurants to choose from. There's so much variety, so many cultures. That led me to think, how can we recreate the feeling of dining out in? So I got together a while back. I did not do this recently, social distancing. I know you guys, this is pre-recorded. I got together with some vendor friends of mine and we wanted to create the experience of having a beautifully planned dinner at home that you can recreate and do yourself. Everything from the centerpiece to the table setting to the actual meal was so carefully thought out and planned. So I hope you enjoy watching this series as much as I love making it for you guys. Don't forget to like this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and go ahead and click on that notification button so you know when I'm posting new content. Using some plant tape, you'll want to go ahead and create a hashtag or tic-tac-toe grid on the vase. So after you create the grid on your vase, you want to go ahead and take another really long piece of that plant tape and just go all around the perimeter. Basically, the centerpiece has a few elements to it. One of the things that you want to make sure you have is foliage. It's so important to have some greenery in addition to the flowers. Starting out, you're going to place the green foliage in the vase first, strategically draping it over the rim of your vase. Think of texture, think of color, maybe have some darker greens in there mixed with some variegated greens like this one here. Okay, so moving on to the face flowers. So your face flowers are your big, showy blooms. These are the blooms that you really want to show off. So I'm not going to say the types of flowers you have to use in your arrangement. This is totally up to you and your aesthetic. But when you're choosing your face flowers, again, think about size, think about color, think about texture. So some of them you want to keep nice and tall and high in your arrangement, but then some of them it's really nice to see them nestled down amongst the foliage also. After you feel comfortable with the amount of face flowers that you put in, now let's start adding some of those wispier, smaller flowers. They kind of act as space fillers, and again, it gives the arrangement texture. If you're adding things like flowering branches, the trick to these is to make sure that they hover or feel like they're floating above the face flowers. There you have it. Again, guys, have fun with this. Don't take yourself too seriously. Really get in there and have fun. So if you and Bae decide to recreate this date night experience, please let me know in the comments. Let me know how it worked out for you. More importantly, please stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home. Until my next video, you guys, peace.